All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we did finish up our linear algebra operations module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, we started out looking at a more practical example of how to use formulas, and we did get a lot of information down. And I'm not going to go over all of that one. This one was pretty detailed, and it'll take a little bit long to explain. So let's move on down to this one here, towards the end. And here we were looking at how will we be looking at how data can be broken up into chunks. So what we did is we got two matrices, as you can see here, A and B, and we want random numbers in this shape here for our A matrix, and we want random numbers in this shape here for our B matrix. And then we're going to transpose B and multiply it by A. And how are we going to do that? We're going to use the end sum. So as you can see here, we assigned B a shape, which is the BCIK, and we assigned A a shape, which is the BCIJ, and we multiplied them both together to get the BCKJ. And then we just labeled the two matrices that we're using to use the operation, the B and the A. And how did we get BCKJ? BCKJ will be our output shape because we transposed BCIK into BCKI and multiplied it by the BCIJ. That eliminated the I from both shapes and left us with the BCKJ. And after we ran our operation, this was the output we got here. I also ran it twice as a mat mul. I know you don't know what that means, but yeah, we ran it also as a mat mul. This is the same thing as the end sum. It's just this walks through all of the steps and show you exactly what we did. So we have the numpy dot transpose B, which means we transpose the B. We have the O1, which is our fixed location. And we have the 3, 2, letting them know that we wanted to transpose it. So instead of the 0, 1, 2, 3, we have 0, 1, 3, 2. And then we have the A matrix, letting them know that we wanted to multiply this by A. And we got this shape here. Now this shape here represents this output here. It's the same thing, it's just we have it in shape form. And that was what we went over today. And tomorrow we'll be starting our common TensorFlow functions. So yeah, if you stick with me, we'll keep moving forward together. This is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.